guys, it's your girl Naturally Jazz and welcome back to my channel. So I am starting off this video. We are going to be tackling some laundry, and I am also going to be tidying up a few rooms in my house. And I just want to go ahead and start with laundry first. My dryer went out on me a couple of weeks ago, and I had a bunch of my kids' clothes that were not able to be washed that was placed in this bin here. So I'm going ahead and tackling those since we've got the dryer back up and running, and just go ahead and get back on top of getting laundry out of the way, because as you guys know, if you let it pile up, then it gets out of hand. Especially, I know that happens in my household. So I'm going to go ahead and just get this organized and into the laundry. And what I mean by organized is I basically separate my daughters from my twins, and then I wash them that way, and then our clothes I do the same thing for. So I think that this is just a helpful hack, and it helps me get through the laundry much faster. If you have laundry or you need to tidy up or tackle something in your household, I definitely encourage you to go ahead and do this along with me, or pause the video and come back to see how far you have made it. But if you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are returning, thanks so much for tuning in. Guys, next I am going to go ahead and start folding my linen sheets and towels, just to go ahead and get those put away as well. I like to go ahead and fold them as soon as they get out of the dryer, just because I feel like it locks the fresh linen smell in as soon as you fold them, and go ahead and put them away rather than just letting them sit. And this is my favorite thing to do out of all the laundry, is to fold the towels and the linen sheets and pillowcases and all of that. I just feel like it's just way easier, it goes way faster, and it's just something about just the way fresh sheets, fresh towels and all of that smells. Also guys, I also like to group everything together. So I have towels that are alike or came in a set, and then linens that come in a set as well. So I like to try to keep everything together. Specifically for my restroom, I use all of pretty much the same towels. These white and black striped ones are some of my favorite. I get them from Target. I actually haven't been in Target in quite a while, so it is very surprising to say that. But now I am at our linen closet that is on my kids' side of the house. This is where I store all of our extra sheets and blankets and pillowcases and things like that that we are not using. So this closet, it looks a little messy, but it's actually not. I just have the bigger blankets that I have to figure out how to organize and fit into this closet. And I think I'm going to do baskets over here just like I did in my closet, just to make it look a little bit more neater. But for the most part, everything fits pretty well except for those bigger blankets, which I think I just need to move to the bottom. Then moving on to the linen closet in my primary bathroom in my room, I'm just going to go ahead and put my towels away as well. And then once I get all of this sorted away, I am going to go back and just check on some additional laundry. And guys, I did have a load in the dryer already going, and then I'm just starting another load in the washer and just going to let that wash. And then while we're waiting on that load to get done, I'm going to go ahead and tidy up my bed. I like to make sure that my bed is tidy throughout the day when I am not in it. Just don't want to have it just looking messy, especially when I'm not in it. I do plan on getting a sofa in my room on the corner. Well, not necessarily in the corner, but it's just an open space in my room that sofa would fit perfect for when I'm not in the bed in the daytime. But I'm just gonna go ahead and tidy this up and just make it look a little bit more decent in here, because we don't want to have a messy bed, especially if we're not in it. And guys, let me know if you have kids, if you are the parent or mama who can clean no matter who's in your way, if you are in the zone of cleaning or tidying up. I know for me, act like they're not even there. As you guys can see, my kid is in my room. He's just all over the floor while I am cleaning up, but nevertheless I still get the job done and just act like he's not even there. But I just find that so funny. But next, guys, in this video I am going ahead and hanging some shirts up in my boys' closet. I've been doing a lot of spring cleaning to their clothing, getting rid of clothes that are no longer fitting them and just putting those out to be donated, or just having bags when we have company over who need extra clothing. But I am starting to just organize their shirts and things in their closet with these new hangers that I got them, and that is going to be a process. So I am going to probably be doing this for a while until I get it like I want it. But then while I'm in their room, I am going to go ahead and tidy up their beds. Now my kids are pretty good about doing this when I tell them to do it and straightening up their own bed and things, but when I am in their room and can do it, I just like to go ahead and tidy up in here as well. And they love when I do it, and they will, like I said, do it on their own. But this is how it looks, and that is the end of this video too. Thank you for watching.